We have a oath taking ceremony. Our beloved director, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, will deliver the oath. So I request all the students to stand up, and as he reads, I request all of you to read and take a oath. So put your hands in the straight and front, stretch your hand and take the oath.
Dear students, please stand up. I will just read the oath-taking details and you will repeat them. I think you have this with you. Yeah. As a proud student of SIT, please repeat.
I request all the students to repeat.
Yeah. As a proud student of SIT, I hereby swear in the holy presence of Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu that I will uphold the fair name of our institute by living up to our motto, work is worship. I further swear that I will bring happiness to my parents, to my teachers, and to our revered Swamiji by achieving excellence in my academic work, attending classes regularly, maintain good conduct and character, cultivating clean habits, totally staying away from smoking, alcohol, drugs, and any other intoxicant, protecting and enhancing the serene spiritual atmosphere of the campus, being friendly with everyone and never causing hurt to anyone, physical or mental, not even in the slightest. May the grace of God and the blessings of His Holiness be with me in all my endeavors. Please sign this and keep it with you on your table, on your study table. Look at it every day, okay? Please be seated. Thank you very much.
I request our beloved principal to deliver the director to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning, everybody. At the outset, I offer my respectful pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Dr. Sri Shivakumar Swamiji and His Holiness Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Respected Sri E.S. Chakravarti, Global Resource Management Head, Tata Consultancy Services, Bangalore. Respected Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary, Siddhaganga Education Society. Respected members of the Managing Committee, Siddhaganga Education Society, all the first year students of 2018-19 batch, and who are the youngest owners of SIT and their respected parents, Mr. Srinivas Ramanujam and friends, and all the friends from my esteemed colleagues, invitees, media friends, and a very hearty welcome to all of you. I am using some papers to refer. I apologize to, and I give a secret that was with me when I was in KREC Surathkal for 31 years. I never took any notes to my classes. It was only maybe a small chit making down some important problem statements or something, and the students were just making among themselves some comments. Iva bari stunt idano, class geno pustakana tarodilla, paper tarodilla. That I continued for so many years with a lot of success and happiness. Now I give you the information that I am 87 and my memory slips, I miss words. Therefore, whatever I wanted to say, I have just noted down. And with your permission, sir, I will go through that very quickly. Okay. I have always enjoyed listening to Chakravarti's talk. Whenever he comes to address our students for placement, he would, with all the enthusiasm, the same enthusiasm, he would speak. I would enjoy his speech. I would never miss, though my presence was not necessary in that particular meeting, I would make it a point to attend Chakravarti's speech. So, this is what. So, dear students, I have made some certain points which are already covered by Mr. Chakravarti's talk. And one information that I can give you is the importance of technology. When this college was started in 1963, they named it as Siddhaganga Engineering College. But very soon perhaps they realized, our former principals, I think Professor Chikkannayappa and Professor Shivanna, they just made it a point to change that title of the institute as Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. That was done very soon in 65, 55 or 56. So we are in a position to understand the importance of technology. So I will just make out certain points meant for students. Dear students, you have selected SIT for your engineering studies because somebody must have told you that this is a good college. Yes. I now invite you to make it a better college. Some of you may be having a feeling that you could not make it to an IIT or an NIT. No matter. With the determination and focused hard work, and with the help and guidance of your committed teachers, you can achieve in SIT whatever you wanted to achieve elsewhere. It is work is worship is our motto. The Nobel laureate Albert Einstein, the creator of theory of relativity, was asked, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" The answer was 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. You have done well so far in your education, and that has helped you to get admission to a good college like SIT. It is our observation that in general, the performance of first year BE student is such that it will be lower than that of 12th standard students. The reasons perhaps is that you relax after joining the college. I am reminded of a Subhashita in Sanskrit, Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. The lion is the king of the forest, and if he wants to eat, it has to work, it has to hunt for it. Animals on their own, they won't come and enter its mouth. The lion may be the king of the forest. Animals on their own will not enter the mouth of the. You must have done very well, extremely well in your 12th standard, and you have scored 98, 99 and such percentages. All that has enabled you to land in a good college like this. I made the observation, in general, performance of first BE students in all engineering colleges of the country is lower than their corresponding enabling performance in 12th standard. It is my hope that you, the students of 2017-18 or 18-19 is this, will prove our observation false. Therefore, don't relax. You continue with your hard-working nature and bring everything possible to the required level of success. I am reminded of a story about Einstein's driver, because this may just interest you. There is a story there are so many stories about Einstein. There is a story about Einstein's driver related to effective learning. In 1920s, when Einstein's theory was published, many universities in Europe and elsewhere invited Einstein for lectures. Einstein's driver accompanied his master every time and made it a point to sit in the front bench and listen to lectures with rapt attention. After attending about 6 such lecture sessions, the driver felt confident that he was educated well in the theory of relativity. The driver made a request to his master, "Sir, at the lecture in the next university, shall we exchange our roles? I will lecture as Einstein. You will sit on the bench as my driver." Einstein was amused, but said yes. The lecture, as per the new system, went on well. Then it was the question hour. The driver read out the question from the chit given to him. He looked at the audience, he looked at the driver, and said with a smile, when the question was read, "Oh, such a simple question, my driver will answer it." So the driver sitting was Einstein himself. This, though it is looking like a story, the driver must have listened to it with rapt attention in the class. And that made him learn even a tough subject like theory of relativity. And he was able to just speak about it and succeeded in doing it. But the question hour, of course, was difficult. Naturally, his master sitting as the driver came to his rescue, in the sense that this person could announce, "My driver sitting there can answer the question." Such a simple question. I am very happy to announce that SIT is a college with a difference for more than one reason. We are blessed with a benign management presided by His Holiness. Our faculty and staff are student friendly and are committed to their profession. Our faculty do not indulge in private tuition. When I make this statement, I am only sure of two institutions where I have seen this happening, not having private tuition. One was KREC Surathkal, the other one is SIT Tumkur. But our faculty are available always to help students in their studies. Friends, you have entered the college with your newly acquired freedom, because from the school to the university, that is the college level, you may feel we are no more school children. Why attend every class? Let me answer your question with an example. A treatise on logic in Sanskrit written by Annam Bhatta is named Tarka Sangraha. That is a treatise on logic. He describes the purpose of writing the book as Balanam Sukhabodhaya Kriyate Tarka Sangraha. It only means it is for the benefit of kids. Bala means small children, for them to understand without much difficulty. I write this Tarka Sangraha. But who are the children who are referred to in this description? Balanam Sukhabodhaya. Who are? A commentator on the work explains the meaning of the word Bala. Adhita Vyakarana Kavya Koshaha. One, it is not just small kids. It is a person who has become an expert in the grammar, Sanskrit grammar. Kavya means literature in Sanskrit. Kosha means, could be Amar Kosha. He is an expert. But Anadhita Nyayaha. Nyaya means again Tarka. He has not studied Tarka. So such a person is Bala, not just the small kid. With respect to engineering studies, you are all children. You can't claim we have come to the college, we are not children. You attend all classes, every one of the classes. Our respected person who gave us an excellent account of what we should do and what we can do, Chakravarti Saab, he has also touched upon this point. You have to attend all the classes. By attending all the classes, you have three advantages. Number one, you will have sound understanding of engineering basics. That is the change that is taking place from 12th standard to degree college in engineering. You will get Swamiji's award of ₹500 for book purchase. In every subject, whatever subject you study, whatever curriculum you cover in a particular program, for that you get ₹500 with the blessings of Swamiji, and book vouchers will be given and you can present them in a bookstore in Bangalore and buy any book. So many books are there with you if you follow this particular thing. And in addition to this, your grade card will show 100% attendance. And when this grade card is looked at by our Chakravarti Sahib, when he comes here, he will feel very happy about the students who have got that particular grade card which records 100% attendance. Therefore, don't miss any class. Now, you may have some homesickness also. For a while, you may feel homesick. Let us recollect a similar situation from Ramayana. Dasharatha had how many wives? 3 wives, if you remember. Kaikeyi, Kausalya and Sumitra. Kaikeyi prevails on Dasharatha and succeeds in banishing Rama to forest and making her son Bharata the Yuvaraja, or the king designate. Sita and Lakshmana also decide to follow Rama to forest. Kausalya is in tears. Sumitra, Lakshmana's mother, is calm and collected. She consoles Lakshmana in the following words: "My dear son, if you feel you are missing your father Dasharatha, think of Rama. Rama will be with you. Think Rama as Dasharatha. Ramam Dasharatham vidhi, Mam vidhi Janakatmajam." If you think you are missing your mother, that is myself, you just think that Sita is me. So there is no missing of anything there also. Ayodhyam Atavim vidhi. If you think you are missing the capital Ayodhya, you are not missing it again. If you consider the forest itself as Ayodhya. Gacchata tayataha sukham. My dear son, whatever is available in this system, you try to be happy with it and go to forest along with. Now, dear students, every one of you may be having your, say, birthday coming sooner or later, and you may miss in that respect your grandfather at home. But there is always a possibility of not missing it, because you can visit Siddhaganga Mutt and meet His Holiness. He is the grandfather of about 10,000 children. His heart is large enough to take another 1,000 children from SIT and give them blessings. On your birthday, you make it a point to visit Swamiji and take his blessings. No prior appointment is necessary to meet Swamiji. This is one great thing that is happening in Siddhaganga Mutt and with Swamiji of Siddhaganga Mutt. SIT is a co-ed institution. We see more girls than boys in all classes nowadays. That is a good thing that is happening. I am very happy to see the innocent, bright faces of boys and girls sitting in the audience. The wish is, let the same innocent grace prevail on the graduation day after 4 or 5 years. I do not wish to say more on this subject, except to mention that certain processes in life are not reversible. Let us all take the benefit of following what we call Lakshmana Rekha. The request to parents, visit your ward at least once in a semester. Request to mothers and grandparents, no extra money to be provided. My visit to hostels shows photos of heroes and heroines from movies or from cricket world pasted on walls of the classrooms. I have no objection for that, nor I am grudging. But in addition to that, on your study table, you can have one more photograph. That photograph is of your parents. May I wish every one of you a very comfortable and fruitful stay in this campus for 4 years or 5 years, as the case may be. architecture is for 5 years, but not more than 5 years, not more than 4 years. You may like this campus, a green campus, a comfortable campus, and students, I would just mention this one instance that has happened to me in this college as well, and then close my talk. In one of the programs that we had on 26th January, I was asked to hoist the flag and say a few words. I took that opportunity, and our students were present. My dear student, I have a request to make. Shall we, on this occasion, make up our minds, take a kind of oath that we will make a SIT campus a smoke-free campus? They said yes, and there was a big clapping. And from that day onwards, SIT is not able to see even one student smoking in the entire campus. And so many other things have happened by simply requesting and they agreeing. I am very happy to mention that. May I wish every one of you very comfortable and fruitful stay in this campus for 4 years or 5 years, not even one more year. Apart from this, if you want to continue your education, PG level, including PhD level, you can continue, and this particular campus will accommodate you even after 4 or 5 years. So thank you very much for your patient hearing, and I wish you again all the best in this campus. Thank you very much.